Welcome back to Shrishna and me. Today in this video I am going to show you center slit top with side pocket kurti. This kurti looks very decent and elegant, especially meant for office wear. This is the mom and daughter dress combo. In the next video you will see daughter dress. These are the kurti measurements. To stitch this kurti I have taken 2 meters fabric. First I am folding this fabric half in lengthwise. Now again I will fold this fabric widthwise according to the bottom measurement of the kurti. Here total length of my kurti is 40 inches. To this 40 inches I am adding 2 inch for seam allowance. So total at 42 inches I am taking as length. Leftover fabric I will use it for sleeves. Now I will start marking from the fold side. Here I will take neck width as 2.5 inches, shoulder as 4 inches, armhole as 7 inches. Here chest round is 36 inches which is divided by 4 9 inches. To this 9 inches I am adding 1.5 inch for seam allowance. So total I am marking it 10.5 inches. At 14 inches I am taking waist measurement. Here waist round is 32 inches which is divided by 4 8 inches. To this 8 inches I am adding 1.5 inch for seam allowance. So total at 9.5 inches I am marking waist measurement. At 20 inches I am taking hip measurement. Here hip round is 42 inches which is divided by 4 10.5 inches. To this 10.5 inches I am adding 1 inch for seam allowance. So total at 11.5 inches I am taking hip measurement. Here bottom round is 44 inches which is divided by 4 11 inches. To this 11 inches I am adding 1.5 inch for seam allowance. So total at 12.5 inches I am taking bottom measurement. In this way, after giving markings, now I will connect all these points from chest to waist to hip. Here I am taking for the both front and back panels round shape neck. For the front panel I am taking neck depth as 6 inches. For the back panel I am taking neck depth as 5.5 inches. In this way, after completing markings for the front and back panel necklines, for armhole I will mark 1 inch and 3/4 inch inwards like this, and I will draw curves for both front and back panel of the armhole using French curve. Now markings are completed. I will trim on these marked lines. For trendy updates, you can follow me on my Instagram page. Link is given in the description. Now to the front panel, I'll give slit at the center. To conceal this raw edges at the center, has taken 3 inches width of 2 long strips. First, I will take one part of the front panel. To this front panel, I am attaching 3 inches width of strip. Here I am placing both the fabric and strip, right and right, and giving stitch. In this way, after giving stitch, now I will turn this strip with 2 folds to the back side like this, and I will make a stitch. In this way, after giving stitch to the one part of the front panel, now I will take the second part of the front panel. To this part also I am attaching 3 inches width of strip. Here I am placing both the fabrics and strip to the wrong side and giving stitch to the right side. After giving stitch in this way, now I will turn this strip to the right side with double fold and I will give stitch. In this way, after stitching hook and eye strap to the front panel of the kurti, now I will place these two parts one on another like this, and I'll give a stitch from the center of the neckline to till up to 35 inches. Now I will attach shoulders. Here I am placing both the front and back panels right and right and giving stitch to the wrong side. Now we will see sleeves. To stitch sleeves, I have taken 14 inches length and 10.5 inches as width. Here fabric is with 2 folds with 4 layers. At the open side I will mark 2.5 inches upwards like this, and I will draw a line from this mark point to the close side of the fabric like this, On this diagonal line at the open side, I am marking 1.5 inches. This is for seam allowance. After marking, now I will measure rest of the length. Here it is coming 8 inches. To this 8 inches, I am taking midpoint, which is 4 inches. At this 4 inches, I am giving half inch marking towards upside and downside, and I'll connect these points as shown for the front and back panel of the armhole. Here, arm round is 9 inches. Now I'll connect these 2 points also, and I'll trim on these marked lines as shown. Here I am going to stitch sleeves till up to elbow, which is 10 inches length. Rest of the fabric I have double folded towards upside like this, and I am giving stitch. Here the fabric which I have double folded towards upside, this fabric you can take contrast color also. Here I am using the same color, so I have taken 14 inches length. To give different look to the sleeve at the elbow, I am stitching arrow mark towards upside. To stitch this arrow mark, I have taken 2 layers of fabric. Here it is with 6 inches length and 1.5 inches width. Now I will draw arrow mark shape like this, and I will give stitch on this marker line. In this, after giving stitch, now I will trim extras and I will bring inner fabric outside so that the concealed part will go inside. Now at the back side of the sleeve, I will place this arrow mark fabric at the center of the arm round like this, and I will give stitch here. Now I will turn this arrow mark towards to the right side of the sleeve like this. Here I will stitch button with normal needle. In the same way I will do it to the other sleeve also. To conceal neckline, I have taken 1.5 inch width of long strip. Here I have placed both the neckline and strip one on another like this, and I am giving stitch. Now I will turn this strip with small double fold towards to the right side, and I will give top stitch. Now I will attach sleeves to the kurti. To attach sleeves, first I will match both shoulder and sleeves centers like this, and I am giving stitch. Here I am placing both the fabrics right and right and giving stitch towards to the wrong side. In the same way, I will join sleeve to the other side of the armhole. Here I am planning to stitch side pocket to the right side of the kurti. So I am giving 6 inches gap in between waist and hip. Here video is becoming very lengthy, so in the next video I will explain in detail how to stitch this side pocket. Rest I will conceal with 1.5 inch seam allowance from elbow to hip. Now I will show you how to stitch side cuts in an easy way without any wrinkles. To stitch this side cuts, first I had selected highest stitch length in my sewing machine and giving stitch from hip to tail up to bottom with 1.5 inch seam allowance. In this way, after giving stitch, now I change my stitching length to the normal length from the bottom. Just I will double fold the fabric like this, and I'll make a stitch till up to hip. At the hip, I'll turn the fabric like this, and I'll make a stitch till up to other end of the bottom part. In this way, after giving stitch, now I will remove highest stitch and I'll make a stitch at the edge. In this way, we can easily stitch cuts without any wrinkle. At the bottom also, just I'll double fold the fabric like this and I'll make a stitch. After stitching buttons at the center, final output of the kurti is like this. If you have any doubts and queries, please mention in the comment section. If you like this video, please do share with your friends and family members, and also don't forget to like and subscribe.